the realm of virtual reality, where innovation meets imagination, a new era emerges. The Meta Quest 3S, a gateway to worlds uncharted, experiences untamed, and adventures beyond the boundaries of reality. Crafted for explorers and dreamers alike, this device promises power and precision, wrapped in elegance. Step into the unknown. Discover the Meta Quest 3S. Welcome back to the channel, you guys, and happy holidays. Before we get started, I need to send a quick shout out to Meta for sending us the Meta Quest 3S so we can do this video for you guys. Today, we're unboxing the Meta Quest 3S, and we're going to give a small review, maybe a little setup as well. But without wasting any time, as we open the box, the first thing that stands out is the premium presentation. Once you open the box, you are presented with the headset itself, a pair of redesigned controllers, a charging dock with the USB cable, and the essential setup guide there in the front flap. On the inside of the headset, it actually comes with glasses spacers. So if you wear glasses, you do not need to worry. It comes with glasses spacers. The Meta Quest 3S is thinner, lighter, and more refined than its predecessor. The matte finish and compact form factor make it look just as futuristic as it feels. The controllers have also received a major upgrade. No more tracking rings, making them sleeker and more ergonomic with next-gen haptics for ultra immersive gameplay. And there is the glasses spacer and the charger that we were talking about. For hardware, the Quest 3S does not feature pancake lenses like the 3. They have the Fresnel lenses. It is powered by a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, meaning faster load times, sharper graphics, and better overall performance than the 2. The 3S is also slightly lighter than the 3, coming in at 514 grams. It's noticeably lighter, making those long gaming sessions more comfortable. Plus, the color pass-through mode has been upgraded for more realistic mixed reality experiences.
Wait. Alright, after you have unboxed your Meta Quest 3, you will have to go through a setup process. I will not go through the setup process here on this video. It's pretty straightforward. You download the Meta Horizons app on your phone, and through that you will activate your device. It is pretty straightforward. It is very quick. And after you finish that setup process, you will be at this screen. This is your home screen. This is the Meta UI. Your Horizon feed will be the first thing you see, your connections, your friends, and down here is the store. This is where you will get your games, your apps, everything you want. Down here is the People tab. That is your friends. This is where you discover your Facebook friends that have Quest. You can link your Facebook to your Meta account and find other people that have Quest. Down here in the bottom left corner next to your avatar is the quick settings button. This is where you can access quick settings like the pass-through mode. As you can see, I'm in my daughter's bedroom right now. I'll select this, and now I'm in my virtual home space. I'll click pass-through once again, and I'm back in my real world. The Quest 3S also has a button on the bottom right next to the volume. You push that button, and that will also, that's the action button. You can go to and from pass-through mode that way as well. That's also very handy. I love that feature. Up here in the top right corner is the settings button. This is how you get to the full settings on the device. You can even move these windows around. Fun fact, you can move them anywhere you want. You don't have to put them in these locked positions. I could put this up here if I wanted to. I could put this one right here if I wanted to, right directly in front of me. Over here is the settings. You have your tabs on the left. Wi-Fi, this is important. You'll set this up when you initially set your headset up. Environment setup, this is where you will change your virtual environment. And there you have it. That is a basic overview of the Meta Quest 3S. If you want a more in-depth video exploring more features on the Meta Quest 3S, such as games and other things, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash a like on this video, and if you want to get your hands on your own Quest, check out the video description. There's a link for a Quest 3S, a Quest 3. Meta even offers Play Now, Pay Later plans, where you pay a monthly subscription to pay off your Quest, so you're able to get your hands on a Quest at a cheaper price that fits your budget. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video, and have a great holidays.